Hi everyone, in this video I will teach you how to appear offline on Instagram. Don't you worry, this will be quick and easy, so let's go ahead and begin. Okay, so first, let's go ahead and tap on the Instagram application to open it. Once you've opened, we're gonna head to the profile by tapping on the profile icon on the bottom right corner of your screen. And you will be transferred to this screen. And on this screen, we're gonna head to settings by tapping on the three-lined icon on the top right corner of your screen. As you can see on the topmost part, there is a settings and privacy. That is the one that we're looking for. Let's go ahead and tap that. And you will be transferred to this screen. And on this screen, you just need to scroll down for a little bit so that we can go to how others can interact with you category. As for we're looking for, the topmost, it is the messages and story replies. Let's go ahead and tap that. And on this set of options, we're gonna head to the who can see your online category, the one that has one option, which is show activity status. Let's go ahead and tap that. And as you can see, there's this option saying show activity status. This allows accounts you follow and anyone you message to see when you were last active or are currently active on Instagram application. And when this is turned off, you won't be able to see the activity status of other accounts, and same goes for them. And you can turn it on or off by tapping on the trigger on the right part of it. As you can see, it is now on, and when you tap it again, it is now off. And there you go. That's it for this video. I hope this video helped. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also, ring the notification bell for you to be updated for newly uploaded tutorials. And I'll see you in the next video.